Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you? As I'm just finishing up dinner, I made taco salads for dinner tonight. I get an alert on my tablet, and it's an article to read. And it's through the local news station here. Now I know MSM, right? But listen, it caught my attention. Kids, it's time. It's time to buckle the hell down. It is time to, I don't know how to say this. I'm going to try and be nice. I'm serious, you know. If you're going to run for the hills, run for the hills. If you're going to bug out and live in total solidarity, do it. They're coming. And I am not here to put fear in your heart. I am not here to fearmonger or anything like that. But when I read this, my jaw dropped. My husband looked at me and said, "What the hell did you just read?" And I showed him. And he said, "F that." He said, "I don't think so." He said, "Not me, not you." I have watched too many testimonials from people who have received this. They can't even walk without shaking. They're rounding us up. That's what their plans are. And in just a few minutes, I'll show you what I read. But you know I have to. Okay? My husband and my mother-in-law are talking about it right now. It is getting so scary that this bastard is going to be rounding us up. And I don't know how we can even hide from it. Because there's two things that I saw today. I don't know if the one is even real or not. They want us to have these cards. Like, okay, you saw the movie Songbird? With the cards that says, "I'm immune," or "I took it," or whatever. We're supposed to be all getting one of those. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you are allergic to any medication at all whatsoever, you are exempt from taking this damn thing. I'm allergic to just about every antibiotic out there, as well as some other medications. Am I exempt? Do religious exemptions, do they come into play here? Because I signed the form, Sean signed the form, but does it come into play here? I'm worried about my son. He leaves for boot camp in a few weeks. He has never had a vaccine. Ever. I'm stressed, but I'm not stressed. I'm worried, but I'm not, I don't know. I don't know how to sit here and dance around this anymore. I really don't. But here it goes. They don't give the people the vaccine. If they do. You see that? Is it clear? FEMA sites. Or are they camps? How are they going to round us all up? 100 million in 100 days? It's impossible. Or is it? I can't take this. I'm not doing it. What is this shit? What is it? What? Explain to me how he is going to do this. I need to know. What are your thoughts on it? Because he says in the article, you have my word, we will manage the hell out of this operation. He also underscored a need for Congress to approve more money and for people to keep following basic precautions. What more do you want from us? What more? I'm telling you, lockdowns are coming. Stock up. I don't care if I have to hide underneath my frickin' bed. I'm not getting this damn thing. All right, I'm out of here. I gotta go clean up from dinner. I just wanted to make this video really, really quick. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive. Keep prepping. Prep to the damn ceilings. Wall to wall. And thank you for all the positive feedback for the video from earlier. I love you guys.